Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Look at me with my uploads. I'm aiming to upload, by the way, once a week on a Sunday. If there's going to be like an extra video that I've got filmed or like something exciting that came out, then I'll upload on a Wednesday as well. But just look out in your little subscription feed every Sunday, turn that notification bell so that you don't miss it, because I'm going to try and like upload more YouTube shorts and more TikToks and stuff instead, and just make it a bit more realistic whilst I'm working full time and life's just crazy. But today I wanted to show you a lot of things that I've been picking up recently, and yeah, let's just get straight into it. So I ordered quite a few things from Tatty Lashes. So this is so funny, right? So I did the order on TikTok Shop because I could get like the remover, a pair of like a box of the lashes, basically these ones, a box of the lashes and the remover for like £26. And then I went on ASOS later on in the day, like a couple of hours later, and ASOS had a thing where if you bought 3 items, you got 25% off, and it included all the tatty stuff. And I was like, I literally could have just got it for £6 cheaper with next day delivery from ASOS. So I put a request in. This was like maybe like an hour and a half, 2 hours after I ordered it on TikTok Shop. Put a request in to cancel it through TikTok Shop. The next day, they sent the parcel out and then said, oh, we can't cancel it, we've already sent it out. So now I've got 2 lots coming for me. So Alex is going to buy the first lot from me. It's all good. So basically, I got a pair of the lashes, like the individual ones, basically the ones where you put them like underneath. I have done them before, like I literally have the black one here, but I literally get the black one everywhere, and that's the old one. They've changed the formula since, they've changed the brushes since. So yeah, this is the lashes that I've gone for, because the ones that I already have from them are very like sparse. I had to like double them up, so I went for these ones because they're a bit thicker. It's like a wispy volume look, so that's what I went for. I also got the lash cleaner mist from ASOS because I got 6 items to get like this 25% off. So yeah, got the little cleaning mist, which I've already opened, and it comes with like a little tiny brush for you to like clean them, which is so cute. I got the remover, which I definitely needed last time I did these. It took me ages to get the glue off, but apparently the new glue dries quicker than the old glue. And I also got the glue, but in the clear one, because I'm so clumsy, and the black one like gets everywhere and then it like sticks, like it's so sticky, it's hard to get off. So yeah, I got the clear one, and the packaging and everything's like so different for this. Like if I show you it compared to, this is what it looks like compared to the original one that I got. Apparently you get more product in this as well, but the brushes are different. Like this one's curved, whereas mine wasn't. It was just like a straight one. And then this side has like a little spongy thing on the end, which is like the sealer, whereas my other one doesn't. So yeah, really happy to get them, and I was hoping to do it tonight, but it's literally like 25 past 8 that I'm filming this, and I want to like get this filmed, possibly film an MD's video and get my makeup off ready for 9 o'clock. So I'm definitely won't be doing them tonight because it takes me a while to do. And then the other thing that was in like the 25% offer thing was Kylie Jenner's new lip pencils. It was literally this one shade and a red one, and I don't really wear red stuff that often, like red lip that often, and I have loads of red ones. So I got this one, which is the shade Smitten. This is her Precision Pout lip liner, and it has like the wood effect to it, and it's like a gorgeous like plummy rosy kind of colour, like absolutely gorgeous. It'd go really well with like what I'm wearing now. It looks very similar, I just had it as well. It reminds me of MAC Store, which is what I actually have on now. You can see how it's very similar. This one is MAC Store, which has a little bit more of a pink to it. This one's got a tiny little bit more of brownie pink, if that makes sense. So yeah, really excited to try that. And I thought if I give it a try, then I can see whether I like it and whether I want to buy the brown shades when they come in stock. And then the other thing to make that the 6, I got this, which is L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation in a powder. And because I got this because I don't know if I've literally just put that somewhere. I think I've put it, I don't know where I've put it. Because my favourite powder for my under eyes is this one, but in a different shade, and like it's so weird. So the one that I have is like 123 vanilla, and then this one is 020 ivory, And this one's darker than my other one. I don't understand why. And they didn't have my other one in stock. Like, I couldn't find it. Like, it didn't even exist. It didn't exist on Superdrug, which is where I got it from originally. So I don't know whether they've changed it because the packaging's different. I'm not too sure. But I will definitely still get my use out of this for under my eyes. If you struggle with getting that, like, brightness, let me put a little bit under, see whether it makes a difference. Yeah, so that still brightens. But if you struggle with, like, brightness, is that a word? With bright under eyes, and with having, like, coverage underneath your eyes, like, I always found that whatever powder I was putting on would make my concealer look darker. This is an amazing product to try because it's the only product that I found, apart from the one that I've just tried today, which is the New Revolution Cherry Bake powder from the Y2K collection. Apart from that, nothing's ever brightened my under eyes the way this does. Speaking of powder, I also picked up this little bad boy. This is the Huda Beauty Baby Bake, and I got this in the peach pie colour. I was so excited to try this. It is so stinking cute, like such a little baby, so stinking cute. And the Huda powder is like my favourite powder in the whole world, but I use this for all of my face. I don't use this underneath my eyes. Yeah, I just wanted to try it because everyone else had it, and I still haven't tried it because I was waiting to do my haul. Something that I bought ages ago, but I literally just found the other day when I was sorting my room out, and I haven't even took it out of the packaging. This was when I went to London for work, and I got like stranded in London. Like I got stuck. I couldn't get home because there was a storm. So because of that, luckily I was with my very good friend Lizzie. You'll know her as Lipstick Lizzie. And we already had planned that night, like, to go for a steak. So I was literally like, I think we just finished our food, and I looked at my phone and I was like, my train's just been cancelled. So she very kindly let me sleep at hers, and we popped to Superdrug on the way to her house. And I got like a toothbrush, toothpaste, all that stuff. Because obviously I literally got stuck in London and didn't know I was going to be staying over. And this was discounted to £7. So I was like, well, might as well make my day a bit brighter and treat myself to a new bronzer. So this is what it looks like, and this is the colour that Lizzie said that she has. So if it works for Lizzie, it normally works for me. We're both the same vibe that way. I keep throwing my recycling over there, and I totally keep missing the box. Speaking of bronzer, I had a Sephora voucher from a very good friend of mine, Kylie, for my birthday. So I treated myself to some goodies that I would never normally buy. And one of them was the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Bronzer in the shade medium. This is what it looks like. I have actually already tried this. I think I tried this. Did I try it for my night out? I can't remember, but I can't remember what I thought of it, so I'm going to have to try it again now that I've finally done this haul. So yeah, super. I'm so glad that I had the voucher to go towards it because it made me buy things that I wouldn't normally buy, and that's always the best present. I also picked up, because obviously I was doing an order, so I was like, I'm going to pick up some things. I also got another Refi lip liner because I absolutely love these. I've been wearing one, well, actually I haven't worn it recently, but I went through a stage where I was wearing I think it's Rosewood lip liner from them, and I was wearing it every single time that I went to London. I had to wear like the lip sealer, and it just worked so well. I'd even put the sealer over my lipstick, and it made my lipstick last even longer. I was very happy. So yeah, this is the lip sculpt, and this time I got the shade Taupe because I don't know why the first time that I bought one of these I went for a pink rosy shade when I am definitely a brown nude lip kind of gal, but that is what it looks like. So you can see how it's more taupe compared to more pinky ones, and yeah, really like them. I really like them. I think eventually I'd like to collect them all, but they are spenny. And then another thing that I picked up is the Duo Quick Set Strip Lash Adhesive. I've been using I've got like all my lashes over here. I've been using up my glues for years. So I have not had this for years and years. And I've been struggling with lashes so much recently. And I was like, I'm sick of this glue. I think 2 of my glues ran out, and I was like, I'm just going to buy another glue instead of trying to use up the ones that I have that just aren't working for me. I literally got this again, and I was like, put my lashes on, bang, bang, done. I was like, why didn't I just buy another one of them? I was trying to be like, let's use up some stuff before I buy more. And I was like, no, like that works. Just stick to it. Another thing that I picked up from ASOS actually is the Kylie Jenner concealer. This one is the Power Plush concealer in 1W. which just looks like this. You all know I love a bright under eye, like super, super bright. So I wanted to get like a really brightening shade in this. And I haven't tried it yet because I've been waiting to show you beautiful people first. So I picked up this from Amazon recently because I saw Ellie at work using one. And Fran said that she uses one as well. So I was like, I want to be part of the gang. So I got one. And I've actually used it today to slick my hair back, which is, it's very strange slicking your hair back in a side parting. So I've gone back to the side parting. But yeah, I really, really like this. And you can actually get it on Shein for like dirt cheap. I think I paid like £7-8 for it. And it's like £2 or something on Shein. But it's whether you're doing an order or not to make that worthwhile. And the last two things I picked up were from Beauty Bay. And I finally given to this because everyone has it. And me and Blake were in Boots. I think it was like a couple of days after Boxing Day. I think it was like the day after Boxing Day. And I smelt this and I smelt the pink one. And we both preferred this one. So I treated myself to it. There was like a discount code. So I just thought, fuck it, treat yourself to it. It smells so nice. It's definitely like, I'm going to put some on. It's definitely one that my mum would absolutely love. If you love the Laura Mercier, oh my god, what's it called? Like the really famous one where it's like the oh my god, where you put like the honey stick into it, like the bubble bath. You can get it in a spray. Like I bought my mum it before, she still uses it. But also the bed head, it's like a orangey goldy packaging bed head shampoo and conditioner. It smells the exact same. It's like pistachio and salted caramel. And it's to die for, absolutely to die for. And then this bad boy, I've been eyeing this up for months. I wanted it when it was like Black Friday, never went in the sale. And then they did a discount code and Beauty Baby spent so much, so I was like, it's literally my perfect excuse for this. And so yeah, this is like a mini lip liner set, but like it's not mini at all. Comes in the bougiest little pouch ever. And then inside, you literally get all of these Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liners and then a dual pencil sharpener as well. Alex gave me one of these for free. I don't know why she didn't want it, but I'm glad that she didn't because she gave it to me for free when she was sending me a parcel. And it was like a really peachy Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liner that she got for free when she ordered something on Depop. And I absolutely love it. That with like a little bit of a darker one, like a darker lip liner mixed in with like my Angel Alessandro lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury. The best combination ever. I actually wore it when I went out last time. But this is just like an amazing opportunity for me to try so many more of the shades for such like a discounted price, considering how much these normally cost as well. And some of them look quite light, but when I saw like swatches of them online, like that's what really sold it for me, because I would use every single one of them colours, absolutely every single one. Even the red one, I would eventually use that. But it's a deluxe mini lip liner set, 8 full pigment lip liners for shaping and contouring lips with precision. And I'm so glad now that I've showed you everything. I think that's everything that I've bought recently. Anything else I'm literally just going to put away because I'm not really buying that much recently. I've got rid of so much makeup, boxes and boxes. I showed like a picture in my PR haul. I'll leave that link down below if you want to go check it out. And I got rid of so much stuff, a ridiculous amount of stuff. So I'm trying to be a bit more selective in things that I'm purchasing. I generally feel like I'm going to be a bit more bougie because I'm not going to be buying as much. And I'm really looking forward to trying more bougie brands like Makeup by Mario. But I'd love to try like the Lady Gaga's foundation stuff, but one thing at a time. And my foundation drawer is like overflowing. So yeah, I'm not going to blabber on anymore, but I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I will be back next Sunday for a brand new video, and I just love you so much. And thank you if you are still sticking around and watching my videos after I've been missing for like 5 months now. And if you're wondering what makeup I've got on, if it isn't already up, it'll be coming soon. But it's a video testing all new in Revolution stuff, including the Y2K collection. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Please don't forget to turn that notification bell on, comment below. Please let me know that you're still here, because that was one of the things that I was worried about coming back to YouTube, is that no one would watch anymore. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. And please go follow me on TikTok as well, because I'll be posting a lot on there. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.